This is a complete bolt-on kit for a 25 and up Yamaha MT-07 installation. GPR Stabilizer recommends installation performed by a professional motorcycle mechanic. It is of extreme importance that your steering damper setup is free of binding or any issues restricting the steering. This includes cable, additional bar-mounted accessories, or improper installation. Typical installation on this kit takes between 20 minutes to 40 minutes. No red, Loctite, blue, or purple is recommended. Follow along at your own pace as we perform a quick install video. You'll need to expose the front end near the ignition to install the kit. To get to it, let's start by removing the passenger seat, plastic cover, and remove the main seat.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Once the retainer clips have been removed, gently pull the plastics on both ends. This will expose the two 5mm Allen head screws. Remove the two 5mm Allen head screw toward the bottom of the tank and the remaining two toward the front of the tank. Now, both left and right tank cover on both ends should be free to remove. This will expose the center top tank cover, which will require a Phillips screwdriver near the ignition to remove. Using locking pliers or mole wrench, remove the two bolts holding down the ignition. Discard these as you will not need to reuse them. Next, position the GPR lower post mount onto the ignition. Use the supplied bolts to tighten the lower post mount to the frame and torque to 15 foot-pound. Now that the lower frame mount is correctly installed, in reverse order, start by putting the ignition cover, center top tank cover, left and right side tank cover, knee shrouds, main seat, and passenger seat. Remove the stock upper bar caps from bike. Install the provided GPR upper bar mount. Snug the two front bolt all the way down. Then tighten the two rear bolts. Make sure the GPR upper bar mount is not touching the lower bar mount on the rear side. Securely tightened to 18 foot-pounds. Next, install the GPR upper post mount onto the GPR lower post mount using the supplied bolts. Tightened to 8 foot-pounds. Finally, mount the GPR stabilizer. Make sure the stabilizer arm is in the post mount channel. Tighten stabilizer mount screw to 8 foot-pound. Final step. Tighten the post mount pinch bolt screw to 5 foot-pounds. Double check your work. Check for any loose bolts. Make sure there is no binding when moving the bars from side to side. Start on the lowest setting and work your way up as needed. Be safe and go ride.